For part 3 of my Beanie Photo Card series, I'm reviewing Angel's Milk Photo Cards. For fellow Blooms, last chance na daw to collect all 13 designs, so may time pa to get them. To try to complete the set, we actually got a total of 13 bundles. Yung 7 we bought online. If you're wondering kung saan napupunta yung mga extras namin, pinapag-giveaway sila ng nanay ko sa meetings nila ng co-seniors niya dito sa subdivision namin. Actually, natuwa kami dito sa Beanie X Angel's Milk Bundle kasi I think siya yung isa sa mga pinakasulit na Beanie brand bundles or items na may kasamang photo cards nila. For less than 200 pesos, may 4 Angel's Milk products ka na. Yung creme densada creamer, all-purpose creamer, evaporada creamer, and all-purpose creamer in Tetra Pak. Tapos may Beanie photo card pa. Now, onto the photo cards. Nakakatawa yung pagkakalagay nila sa box and yung mismong envelope ng Beanie photo card. Kasi thick and sturdy siya, so less chances malukot. Medyo hassle lang buksan yung photo cards mismo kasi ayoko masira yung mismong envelopes. Sana may sticker na lang para easier to open it to get the photo cards. We tried cutting dun sa taas kaso may fear kami na baka makat yung dulo ng photo cards. First pull namin was Aya. So pretty. Next pull namin, OT8 agad. Ang ganda ng OT8 photo card. The Beanie girls all look ethereal and angelic. I love it. Next pull was Macolette. OG ships yung duo photo cards nila and ang cute-cute ni Maloy and Colette. Then finally, si Joanna naman. Ang ganda niya dito. The rest puro dupes na. Pati yung photo card nila, ang ganda ng shiny design sa likod. The cards are also thick so di madali mabend. Pati yung cut and edges, smooth yung pagka-trim. We got so many dupes ng Macolette. Then may dupe kami ni Joanna. Then yung ibang photo cards, puro OT8 dupes na. So all in all, 4 out of 13 palang nakuha namin Beanie X Angel's Milk photo cards. All dupes will be up for trade soon. If you haven't collected these photo cards, last chance yun na daw sabi ni Angel's Milk. Sulit naman per pack, so we recommend you buy them. Maganda tong mga Beanie photo cards ng Angel's Milk, so worth it i-collect talaga. Blooms, na-collect na rin ba ang Beanie X Angel's Milk photo cards? Share naman in the comments.